Hey guys, and welcome to a slow motion video that I thought I'd be doing. I thought it'd be kind of fun, and let's get into it. Test number one, we're going to be testing a cap gun to see the explosion inside of the cap gun. Let's go. Shot one. Nice. We can get a little closer. Shot two. One. Shot three. Shot four. Ah, we're out. Okay, so that was the cap gun. Let's get on to the next one. Next up, we're going to be seeing how well CocaCola Zero explodes in slow-mo. First step, let's do this. Shake it. I'm going to have to back up for this one a little. Put it. Oh. Okay. So that's the next one. How well a balloon explodes by being popped by a pin in slow motion. Let's do this, guys. I'm gonna blow up the balloon real quick. Okay. That's big enough. Okay, so the balloon is now tied, and let's get to the popping. Stand a little closer for this one. Pin, just a little normal pin that you push pin that you put in your wall, and woo! That was a good one. Okay guys, so we just did a quick location switch, and we're going to be seeing how well this spring water explodes after we hit it off the rock in slow motion. Let's go. Nope. I'm really scared this thing's going to explode in my face. Oh, and it's all gone. Not the best explosion I was hoping for, but I really didn't want that to explode in my face, but it bursted the whole entire bottom of the bottle open. And almost a perfect square, like it split the bottom part right open. So cool. It's been a while since the last cut, and I figured I'd do one more final thing before the grand finale, and what I was going to do is just twist up this water bottle here, like so. So just twist it up nice and tight like so. You're going to take it off, and just stand back a little from the camera. Like that, and it went all the way back there. I don't know if you can see that in camera. It's all the way over here now. So guys, I hope you guys stuck around for this because I just actually ran into the store and got these things, Coke and Mentos. We're going to see how many times we can make the Coke explode with the Mentos and this cool little gadget I got here. Zoom up quickly. And no, this is not sponsored at all. I just figured I'd use Coke because it is the most explosive thing from the superstore I could find. Anyway, so I'm going to be setting it on this rock down here, and I'm going to set it up. So let's do this. So guys, I've actually taken half of the package almost of Mentos here. As you can see, most of the wrapper's kind of off of it. And we loaded it up into the top of that Coke bottle dispenser thing that just kind of loads the Mentos into the Coke without me having to manually put one in each at a time, so we have a bigger explosion. We have about 6 in there, so that should be pretty good. So let's do this. So here goes nothing, guys. I'm about to pull this thing and I'm probably going to run away from it, so I hope you guys enjoy this in slow motion. 3, 2, 1. So basically what happened there, guys, is I'm about to show you that this stuff went everywhere. I can't actually show you, but I ran all the way from over here, all the way over to here, and I had to run even further because that's how far it went. Now that's pretty awesome. It took about just more than half of the Coke, actually. It's just under the tag, and you said the rock is drenched. And we're going to put some more Mentos in there, see if we can make the same explosion. Let's do this. Now guys, I know it's not going to be straight and fresh right from the bottle this time. It's not going to be a fresh brand new bottle. But I'm actually going to tilt the camera a little further up and I'm see if I can run around before and see if... Because that went really high. I want to say that went 25 feet in the air, around that. It was really insane. We're probably not going to get the same result. Let's see if we can get the rest of this Mentos into there. Let's do this. Okay guys, so I've put about 3 more Mentos in the Coke and we're just about to let it go. I don't know if it's going to make one because I accidentally dropped a Mentos in there and it didn't actually do anything, but for the sake of seeing if we can get any more slow motion effects out of this, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Unfortunately guys, that one didn't work, so I don't know if you guys are going to see that last part, but the first part was pretty cool, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure to leave a comment saying if you'd like more of these, because I can make more of these, and I would love to because it was actually really fun. So hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, make sure you subscribe. Thanks, see you guys in the next one. Peace. You know guys, I genuinely had a lot of fun making that. I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did.